viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So as today we are going to add new token on our Metamask wallet, that's name is Gnosis. So this token is ranking top 100 cryptocurrency market. So if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, best cryptocurrency wallets. And if you want to save your token for long term, so also this video is very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So yes, now first of all I'm going to open CoinMarketCap and we will check the rank of Gnosis token or GNO. So you can see here CoinMarketCap is open in front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is almost $38,000 and all altcoin is red, mostly red. So if we are going to check the rank of Gnosis token, so you can see here GNO, the top 100 coin is listed in this time rank is 100 number. And if you click on it, if you need to add your Metamask wallet, so then the new page open in front of you where you can check the network where this token is developed, and this time price is $309, means $300. And if you need to check the price graph of this token, just simple click on all, and you can see here this token is launched almost $90, and this token is all-time high is almost $600, near to. And if we check the all-time low, so almost $10. So if you need to exchange or trade this token, so you can see here you can buy this token from Binance, Gate.io, Kraken, Bitfinex. And if you need to visit the official website, so there is option is available, Gnosis.io. This is the official website. Gnosis built a new market mechanism for decentralized finance. Over 3 triple product line allow you to securely create, trade and hold digital asset on Ethereum. So there's built on Gnosis. Many DAOs application is also available on this network, but we just add this token to our Metamask wallet. So that I'm just simple going to open the CoinMarketCap, Metamask. Then we will enter the password here. I'm going to enter the password here and click on unlock, and we will check the select the network Ethereum because this token is developed on Ethereum. So first of all I click on expand view. Now you can see here expand view is open, and I will select the network from the network area, the Ethereum mainnet. Simple click on it, and after that you can see here I have already add many coins on this wallet, and today we are going to add Gnosis token. So simple click on it and contract address, then the etherscan.io will be open in front of you where you can find the contract address, decimal and also token symbol. Just simple going to copy my contract address, open the Metamask wallet, then click on import token. You can see here there is option is available, import token if you need to add, and there are also two options, search and custom token. Simple click on custom token, and there's option is available, token contract address. If your token address is correct and also your network is correct, then the both option will be automatic filled, token symbol and token decimal. So going to paste here my contract address, then you can see here GNO token symbol and token decimal, means my contract address and my network is correct, so that the both option is automatically filled. So you just simple click on add custom token. Now you can see here they shown the GNO also with icon. Click on import, and so as we have successfully add new token over Metamask wallet, that's name is GNO. So if you save your token for long term, so you can use Metamask and add this token. So before going to deposit on this token, you must find the private key and you must save your private key, because when you want to recover, restore, import your wallet, then this private key will be helpful for you. I have clicked on that wallet, and then you can click on three dots, account details, account information. Just simple click on it, and now you can see here there is the wallet address is available, account wallet address if you need to deposit. But before going to send money on this wallet, you must cross check you have selected the network of ERC20. If you have select wrong network, then you will not receive money on this your wallet. Okay, be careful about it. And there is option is available, export private key. So if you need to find your private key, simple click on it. Then you must read the warning, never disclose this key to anyone. Your private key can still any asset hold in your accounts. So if you share your private key with anyone, your fund will be lost. So please don't share your private key with anyone. I just simple enter my password here if I want to find my private key, because my wallet is password protected. So show here my private key. I will save this private key in my notepad file and make the multiples copy. I will save this file in my USB drive and extra CD, and I will write this private key in my personal diary, because when I want to recover, restore my account, then this private key will be helpful for me. And let's suppose you want to import this private key. So simple is that you just simple install Metamask wallet. After that, click on profile area, and then the option is available import account. You can see here third number account, and then select type. You select type private key, and then paste here your private key. You can see I have pasted here my private key, and then simple click on import. So you can easily import your private with your private key and easily recover your wallet with your private key. But before going to use your wallet, you must have your private key. Okay, so as I hope you properly understand how can you add new token GNO or Gnosis in your Metamask wallet. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowallets@gmail.com. You can also comment below this video. I must read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. Sometimes your comments is not shown in my comments area, because many scammers send to message on my videos. So please you must type your comments 2 or 3 times, then I will read your comments. Okay, so again, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.